In today's video, while I'm doing my protective hairstyle, guys, I just want to share some info about me and also want to say thank you very much. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, also for coming back. My name is Mary. I am from Ethiopia originally and I live in UK. I talk up to 4 languages and also I lived in Italy like for 5 years. I take my diploma for second qualification diploma for hairdressing in Italy. I studied in there for 2 years and a half, and then since 2015 I live in UK, happily married with 3 kids, 3 beautiful princess, twins plus 1 baby, and a very busy mom. So that is why, guys, I appreciate so much that you are here. If you like what you see, guys, please don't forget to share with your friend. The more you share, the more you give thumb up, more people you help with my remedy. With that being said, someone asked me when I said this protective hairstyle also help for hair growth, and someone asked what to do this protective with hair growth. It does actually. You can massage your hair very easily with this protective hairstyle. You can even wash it, which is I do not recommend. And someone also asked me how long does it take to do this protective hairstyle. The answer is here you go. I have no clue. Like I said, I have 3 princes. Whenever they need me, whatever, wherever I go, I stop between wrapping. Roughly, if you keep doing non-stop, it's up to 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, depend how thick you do. So with that being said, I see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.